Okay, so as in the last video, we have discussed an introduction to the covalent bond. We discussed what covalent bond is. Alright, covalent bond is nothing but it is formed when electrons are being shared, right? So the sharing of an electron is what we call the covalent bond. When is it formed? It is formed. It is formed. It is formed when electrons are shared. Okay, so covalent bond is made when electrons are shared. It is basically the sharing of an electron, right? We have discussed about an example as well, the NaCl, right? NaCl has an ionic bond, right? Why it has an ionic bond? Since it gets complete charges, right? There happens the complete transformation or transferation of electrons, right? Chlorine gains one electron and sodium loses electron. So sodium completely loses electron and chlorine gain that electron completely. That's why they get complete charges. But if I do talk about covalent bond examples, so we have a best example, H2O. Now see, there we have charges as well, positive and negative, but here we will have partial charges, partially positive, and here we'll get partially negative, because two electrons from hydrogen have been shared with one atom of oxygen. That's why they have got partial charges, plus partial charge on hydrogen and negative partial charge on oxygen. Alright, now today we will be discussing an introduction to the theories of covalent bond. So theories of covalent bond. How many theories we have, right? So we will gonna begin our theories of covalent with very first and very old theory, which is Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure, or you can say it as electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. The second theory is VBT. VBT. All right, it is VBT. Now, what is the full form of VBT? The full form of VBT is valence bond theory. See, we're gonna deep dive into it and we're gonna discuss each and every theory in very detail. This is just an introduction to the theories of covalent bond. So, valence bond theory, VBT. The third theory we have is VSEPR. We have VSEPR. The full form of VSEPR is valence V shell S electron pair repulsion theory. Repulsion theory. So VSEPR stands for valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. The first one, Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. Second, VBT, valence bond theory. Third, VSEPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Alright, the fourth is all about MOT, and the full form of MOT is molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory. See, we have discussed about orbitals in atoms, right? Now in this MOT, the molecular orbital theory, as the name suggests itself, we're gonna discuss or we're gonna study the orbitals of molecules. So here we have done an introduction to the four theories. The first one, Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. The second is VVT, valence bond theory. Third is VSEPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Fourth is MOT, molecular orbital theory. So in the next video we are gonna discuss Lewis dot structure, or you can say electron dot structure, in very detail. We're gonna have a formula for it as well, and we're gonna have tricks for it as well, so that we must know how Lewis dot structure is made. We're gonna make a lot of structures with the help of Lewis dot theory. So stay tuned.